One of the signs of a bad siding contractor is that they're not organized. If you, during the estimate process, you don't get callbacks, you don't get a quote on the things that you're actually interested in, that's kind of indicative that that could be how the project is going to go from there on out. Another big one is if they ask you to pull the permit. That usually indicates that they either don't have a license or that they don't want to be held to the standards that the city or whatever governing body has for the permitting process. And so by doing that, you're now liable for ensuring that that product is installed properly, which as a contractor, as a reputable contractor, we're responsible for that. So we want to make sure that we have that responsibility and that doesn't fall on the homeowner. So those are a couple signs that you're working with somebody that might be indicative down the road that there could be problems.